November is Pananabangan month for the Archdiocese of Lingayen and Dagupan. What is Pananabangan? It is komunyo. It is kaisahan. Where do we get komunyo? Where do we get pananabangan? We do not get pananabangan from the pocket because pananabangan is not about money. We do not get pananabangan by earning a degree because pananabangan is a gift. Where do we get pananabangan? We get pananabangan from God Himself, the mystery of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. That is komunyo, that is 3-in-1, that is pananabangan. In other words, brothers and sisters, the nature of our Christian life is pananabangan, it is komunyo, because we began our spiritual life by being baptized in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. And by that baptism, we all became children of God. And because we are children of God, we must live the spirituality of pananabangan. I say it again, pananabangan is not about money. Pananabangan is not about studies. Pananabangan is not a seminar. Pananabangan is life. It is the life of God. And it is the life that we must live because we belong to God.